Let's quickly look at how you can create AI images just like this one using ChatGPT in just a few steps. Now, go to your Play Store and search for ChatGPT. If you don't have it, you go to your browser and visit chat.openai.com like this. And now say create this image. Let me just say create this image. Then put my description. This is my description. So you can read it carefully. A photorealistic African woman shopping at a modern outdoor market, selecting fresh fruit, everything like that. Make sure you put some important photographic terms there. So you can see the realistic skin tone, sharp focus, shallow depth of field, so that the subject will stand out from the background. Everything like that. Then you paste it. Then you wait for ChatGPT to create it for you. And here is our image. So that's the number one. So let's try another one. Let's say image 2. A photorealistic team of African professionals having a productive business meeting in a modern corporate office discussing ideas. Let's look at the prompt, okay? Professional, what I want exactly, then I will send it. So you can see the second one. So this is the image. If I want to save this image now, you just click on this download icon there. Here to just create another one, making 3. Now let's go for the third one. Here is little photo. Using African family visiting a modern zoo, parents and children observing giraffes and elephants, everything like that. Just look at it and let me send it. And here is it. You can see what I asked ChatGPT to do. If I tap on this download icon now and I'm not finding option to download it, I will simply copy the link or maybe share it to someone on WhatsApp or to yourself. Then if I should paste this link now, the link of that particular image, it will take me there. Just wait. Okay, this is the image. Tap on this download sign above. File downloaded. That's it. If this video is helpful, make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. See you in my next video.